So if you're going to be on the road a lot, like I am, what do you eat to, to stay healthy? I found that it's not really enough just to pick a healthy restaurant, especially if you're trying to avoid industrial seed oils and things like that. Just kind of like making my own stuff. Now, I will forewarn you, there is a reason that I call the channel Modern Day Spartan. If you're looking for a gourmet meal, you gotta look somewhere else. This is just what I do. This is how I eat healthy when I'm on the road. So I just got back from the grocery store and here's what I'm looking at. Salad, tomatoes, peppers, avocado, cheese, chicken, etc. I find it helpful to buy knives when I'm on the road. That way you don't have to pack them in your travel-on luggage. This cost about $2. If you have a check bag, you can bring them home with you. If you don't, you can throw them away and you're out $2. So you want to start by rinsing stuff, but you really don't have a cutting board. Sometimes you can buy a cutting board for $5, but if not, there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash, I'm going to go rinse the veggies off and set them here on the makeshift cutting board. Next thing, we open up our veggies are there. We're going to open up our paring knives. Careful, they are sharp, they're knives. I'm going to be in town for half a week to a week, so I invested in some utensils. In the bag these back up, put them in the fridge, save them for tomorrow. One of the things I'm trying to do is get enough calories in, enough fat, enough calories, etc., which is why I'm going with an avocado. Avocados are fairly simple. Okay, chicken is drained. Chicken is added. Add blue cheese. Add a little more cheese.